Deploying to the cloud can feel overwhelming. Too many moving parts, too many tools, too much complexity. But what if I told you there are just five simple tricks that can dramatically simplify your cloud deployment process? Stick with me because tip number 4 is my personal favorite. It will change the way you think about deployment and you don't want to miss it. Let's get started. Tip number 1, use infrastructure as code. Start by defining your infrastructure declaratively using tools like Terraform, Azure Bicep, AWS CloudFormation, whichever one takes your fancy. This means that your infrastructure is version controlled, repeatable, and consistent every time you deploy. No more manual steps, clicks, or surprises. If your infrastructure is code, you get the same benefits as your application code: automation, testing, and peer reviews. Tip number 2, automate with CI/CD pipelines. You need to set up continuous integration and continuous deployment systems, preferably with GitHub Actions, Azure DevOps, Jenkins. Automate build, test, deployment steps to reduce errors and speed up your releases. Essentially, this is what CI/CD does for you. It frees you from manual deployments and lets you deploy safely multiple times a day. Tip number 3, use containerization. Yes, it's not just a buzzword. It's not just a fancy thing. Package your applications in containers like Docker. Containers ensure that your app runs the same everywhere, on your laptop, in staging, in production. It eliminates the famous frustration. It works on my machine and makes scaling apps much easier. Plus, containers integrate seamlessly with orchestration platforms like Kubernetes, Docker Swarm, you name it. Now, this is my favorite that I told you about in the video earlier. Manage your secrets securely. It is my personal favorite tip simply because it's often overlooked, but it is critical for security and smooth operations. You should use secret management tools like Azure Key Vault, AWS Secret Manager, Azure Key Vault to store your credentials, API keys, and certificates securely. Never ever, never ever, ever, ever again, if you're doing it, stop it now. Never ever encode secrets in your code or config files. This approach essentially protects you from leaks, simplifies your secrets rotation, and keeps your deployment secure. So from dev, you need to be able to stick around with good security practices. It will save you headaches down the road. Trust me, it will. Tip number 5, which is the final one: monitor and rollback automatically. I tell you this for a fact: deployments can and will fail. That is a simple fact. So set up monitoring with tools like Prometheus, Azure Monitor, or Datadog to catch issues quickly. Pair these monitoring tools with automated rollback mechanisms. So if something breaks, your system automatically reverts to the latest stable release immediately without manual intervention. Number 1, this keeps your users happy, and number 2, it keeps your deployment pipelines trustworthy and safe. In closing, you need to simplify your deployment with these 5 tricks, and you save time, reduce stress, and ship features faster with confidence. If you want me to walk you through the step-by-step guide of setting this up, or any of these tips step by step, just let me know in the comment section and I'll do a deep dive video on how to make this happen. Don't forget tip number 4. It is the game changer for you. Keep it at the top of your mind every time you write code, every time you deploy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.